Good day YouTube, it's Suren from Protech again. Today we're gonna be showing you how to replace LCD screen on Samsung A21S. As you can see here, I do have a Samsung A21S with a damaged screen and LCD. It does work, but the images are not that clear. It's getting greenish with some lines coming up. So let's go ahead and start this. First, I would like to take the back cover off. In this case as well, I'm not going to be using any heat, as this back cover also made out from plastic. I'm working around the edge of the back screen really slowly. Your home button's off already. SIM tray is out. Start removing all these screws. Okay, all the screws are out. I'm just gonna take the frame out, working around, putting my fingernail through. It comes off quite easily. Frames out. First things first, the batteries are. I'm going to disconnect this flex cable down the bottom. I'm going to be stick up with this for the time being. Disconnected. There's one screw holding the main board. Just gonna get rid of it. That's a different screw. You can clearly identify that because it's a black one. Motherboard's out. To remove the charging port board, I would like to apply a little bit heat as there's a adhesive down the bottom, so just want to get that loosened a bit. Comes out beautifully. So motherboard, flex cable, everything can stay here. Okay, we'll now get back onto new LCD screen. This is a Samsung genuine service pack. There's pre-installed side buttons, vibrator, your earpiece, so you don't need to worry much about it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the sticker. Keep that on the side, then I'm gonna try to remove the battery from this. So starting from this corner, I'll be sticking onto my old method using a small cleaning towel. After a little bit of alcohol, it just comes out quite nicely. So that can stay on the side. So that's your battery out there. As always, I have tested the screen previously, so I'm not gonna be testing the screen again. I'm gonna go ahead and install that directly. So your main board goes in here. There are enough adhesives down there, so I'm not gonna be worrying about it. Once this alcohol dried up, it's gonna seal it up nicely. That goes back into place. You make sure you place this antenna cable in the right groove here. Then black screw goes in to your motherboard. Then your battery goes in. Now you can check the functionality by pressing the turn on button if you want to. As I told you, I already have tested the screen, so I'm going to go with the next step. It's a pretty quick repair as long as you have the right parts available. Yeah, works beautifully, as how we expected. So go ahead and tighten the back frame, work around all the corners. I like to hear that nice sort of clicking, but don't press too hard, that could damage your LCD. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and put these screws back. Few people did ask me what sort of tool screwdriver that I'm using. It's called Wow Stick. That's from Xiaomi. It's very useful and handy. It used two AAA batteries. All the screws are in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the SIM tray back in. Going to start putting the glue around the back frame. There are two methods of reinstalling your Touch ID. The first method is angle this connector to this socket and align it nicely using tweezer, or you can remove this button physically. Which gives you easy access for the main connector. I find it more easier this way. Bit of a squeeze around the Touch ID just to make sure it's seated nicely. Now it's time for clamping. As always, goes back in the bubble wrap. Alright guys, that's the end of our today's video. If you have any questions, please comment below. It would be great if you can subscribe to our channel. That's going to help us a lot. If you have any sort of questions, please shoot me a message. I'll get back to you with those questions as soon as I can. So thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you with our next video. Peace. Thank you.